Hello audience, today I will show you how to know your PC's MAC address. So let's start. So click on search button and type control and click on control panel. Then you can choose network and sharing center here and click here. Now click on change adapter settings. Here these are adapters. So I will click on the adapter which is connected and right click on it, then status, then details, and here is your MAC address. MAC address is also called as physical address. So we are going to see the next step, the next method. So we'll close it. Then press Windows plus R for run and type here CMD. Then OK, and this prompt will open. Then here type getMAC, GETMAC, and here is your MAC addresses. These MAC addresses are of all those adapters, and this one address is your corrected ones. And I will let you know what are all those another addresses. So you can see here we have 4 adapters and 4 MAC addresses. So these MAC addresses are of these 3 adapters that you can see here. This one is of the third one, this adapter, and the second one is your second VMware adapter, and the last one is your Ethernet, which is not connected yet. So these are your MAC addresses. You can find here by these 2 methods. So thanks for watching.